Busy week in entertainment. Here's the Intense 5. So Nicki Minaj was inspired by Pampote's song and decided to bust a wine. All right, go ahead, Nicki.
All
man,
right.
see you, Onika.
So here's how the rich stay rich and even get richer. Khloe Kardashian is selling her daughter's second-hand clothes online, but not really at a discounted rate. There's a pair of tights that she's selling for $20, and that same brand new tights, yes, cost $6.99 at Target. So people don't donate anymore. Lord Khloe.
Yeah, man, you have to go pay the price for your puppy, you know?
Yeah, man, she's like secure in the bag.
So TJ took to IG to voice his opinion about artists buying YouTube views. He says $400 could get you 100,000 views. Me never even know that.
Yeah.
Apparently, a lot of artists are doing it to hype themselves up, but there's no way to know the real from the fake.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Adele unfortunately had to postpone her Las Vegas residency, which should have started this week. She went on IG crying and voicing her disappointment. And she said they just weren't ready. Equipment delays and COVID were the main cause. Hushya, Adele.
And finally holding the spot this week, Poppy looks very much at home in Gambia. Man, nah lie.
Yep.
Especially after that massive concert. It looked like half of the country didn't know. Honestly, he is the president. Unruly boss, do your thing. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for all that's happening in entertainment and more. Up next, Sanjay knew him as Maxi Billion, but he's back as Casino. We'll soon forward.